Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about China overhauls Pakistan firepower to supply 236 howitzer guns. Amid heightened tension across the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan has engaged China to overhaul its firepower, sources said on Saturday. The Pakistan Army aimed to deal with China Northern Industries Corporation, Aeronautical, this year to procure artillery guns, the Shish-15 howitzer. Pakistan wants to procure 236 of these artillery guns with transfer of technology, hot clauses and plans to place them along the lot. It could be nuclear capable, said a source. Aeronautical has also aimed to deal with Pakistan's premier defense manufacturing unit, the Heavy Industries Kaxila, in overhauling the main battle tank Type 85 IIAP, which is an improvement over Type 80 MBT line. About procurement of artillery equipment, the source said, on June 27, 2019, Pakistan Army signed a contract worth $512 million with Aeronautical to procure the Shish-15 howitzer. Sources stated that Aeronautical has received the first installment of payment of $20 million late November this year. Aeronautical will deliver a total 236 of artillery guns Shish-15 to Pakistan Army's 13 Artillery Regiment with transfer of technology, hot clauses, sources said. Sources further pointed out that Aeronautical will also supply adapted ammunition to Pakistan Army. Sources said that Shish-15 trials were carried out near Karachi earlier this year. About overhauling of tanks, sources said Aeronautical is assisting Heavy Industries Kaxila in overhauling the main battle tank Type 85 IIAP. The first phase of overhauling has been completed, said sources. For the second phase of the project, Aeronautical has received an advance payment of $27,834,100 for overhauling of 106 tanks. Sources said after payment was received, Aeronautical has started the second phase and plans to add more firepowers to the tanks. The Pakistan Army has in total 268 Type 85 IIAP tanks in its inventory, and these were procured from China in the late 1990s, sources said. The Shish-15 system uses a 6A6-wheel Shanxi truck chassis for carrying a 155mm howitzer mounted at the rear of the truck. The truck also has two spades connected to the howitzer at the rear for stabilizing the system. Thanks for watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Goodbye.